Hey everyone, this is Train70. Today, what I got in the mail today is an Ertl Sodor mail fan. So here it is inside the package. So here's the front, and there's the back of it. And now let's unbox it. Here it is. So here's the front, side, the back, the other side, and the top. Let's see it once well. Well, what do you know? The Sodor Man Fair one's well. Since I had the Ertl Sodor Man fan, I'm going to do the comparison video to the other Sodor Man fan. See? And now let's do the comparison video of it, shall we? So first up is a Ertl Sodor Man fan. So here's the front, side, the top, the back, the other side, and there's the bottom. And I gave him a 1 like this, and it runs well. So if you like this Ertl Sodor Man fan, let me know in the comments down below. So first up is a Widow Sodor Man fan. So here it is, and there's the side. It has the Mr. Bubbles poster. So here's the front, side, the top, the other side, the back, and the bottom. Let's see it once well. The Sodor Man fan once well. So if you like this Widow Sodor Man fan, let me know in the comments down below. Next up is a version 2 of a Widow Sodor Man fan. So here's the front, side. It has no poster of Mr. Bubbles. It has some words Sodor Man. The other side, the top, the back, and the bottom. Let's see it once well. Well, what do you know? Version 2 Widow Sodor Man fan once well. Well, guys, which Sodor Man fan you like better? The Ertl one? The version 1 with Mr. Bubbles poster? Or version 2 with the word Sodor Man? Let me know in the comments down below. Well, guys, that's it with this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Send a comment, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in the next video.